On this episode of Trekking Beyond, we will be traveling to Japan. We had the opportunity to take 2 weeks off and explore Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto. When we arrive in Japan, we will be staying in a special ward of Tokyo called Nakano and use that as our base to explore the rest of Tokyo. Visiting Japan has always been a dream of mine since I was a kid. After so many years, I finally have the opportunity to explore Japan and experience the Japanese culture. During this episode, we will show you an amazing place in Tokyo called Nakano. Our journey begins in our home city of Calgary, Canada, and then we take an Air Canada flight to Narita Airport in Tokyo. After that, we continue on with the SkyTrain to our destination.
Okay.
Hi, welcome.
We just got off a total of 12-hour flight time from Calgary to Tokyo Narita Airport. We just got on the SkyTrain and we are headed to Ipori Station. Alright, this is the neighborhood we're staying in. Nakano. And we're just about to choose our first meal of the evening, and we kind of found a place just down this alleyway here.
Hopefully it's still open.
Yes, I think it is. But yeah, just go down these random alleyways here and just find random cool stuff to eat. Like for example here, I think we're gonna eat here. Our first meal in Japan. What do you think you're gonna have? Yeah, that one. I think I might get that one. The prices are cheap. That's like $4 Canadian. And this one, oh, and the gyoza. Yeah. So that's like $1.80 there. So that's around like $2 Canadian. Yours is like about $6. And this is the place in here. Are you excited?
I'm excited. Orange?
Is Eileen ordering our food for us?
Because I'm a pro. It's green tea. That's
You actually did really good.
order. To confirm order. So miso ramen. Everything looks correct, right? That's yours with the thing. That's mine. That's the thing. That's
Yep.
your beer.
And that's your green tea.
That says thank you for your order. Please wait for a dispatch.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
First Japanese meal in Japan. Ramen. Got some dumplings there. Gyoza. Is it good? Delicious.
Delicious.
After a long day of traveling, many train rides, finally comes down to this. We just woke up first morning early. This is our Airbnb. It's a very simple room, but the price was right. It's like a good location in Nakano. Like a little bed. Eileen, there's a bunk bed up there. Nice little room. Comes with like a little kitchen. It's pretty much like a hostel with your own room, private room. That's just the entrance. It's the area outside our Airbnb. It's very quiet. Nice and clean around here. It's a really nice area. It's pretty like local and not too busy. Very quiet. Eileen's gonna order some coffee.
This one has milk in it.
Milk? I think I'll have black. You think it's warm?
Ice cold.
It's ice cold.
It's ice cold.
No.
I like it.
What does it taste like?
Like
iced coffee. It's so good. Try it.
I'll take the black one.
Okay.
How much is it?
20.
120. This is just like, I guess over $1 Canadian. It's the 7-Eleven near our neighborhood. Got all kinds of prepared food. There's dumplings, rice, eggs, noodles. Just like all kinds of strong zeros here. Beer. All kinds of different chips here. Just on our way to the city center. This is like what the area looks like, what neighborhood we're staying in Nakano. Alright, we're just walking in the local neighborhood alleyways. Just enjoying our coffee. It's still pretty quiet here, seems like things open a bit late.
Right next to Shinjuku, one stop away with the train, is one of Tokyo's most underrated neighborhoods called Nakano. You will find Nakano has a more local vibe, with many independent businesses, especially ramen shops. I would definitely recommend to stay there, as we found it more affordable. Our guest house was very nicely located in a residential area. We had the great opportunity to walk through the communities and back streets and see how people live, the style of housing, and take in some of the real Tokyo.
Found one of those like stand-up ramen places where there's no seating inside. You just go and like stand up and order. And we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try to translate the menu here because there's no like pictures or English. So this is the place. That's the menu. And Eileen was like just translating it with her phone, so we're gonna try to walk in and see. So you just gotta go up to this machine and you have to choose what you kind of want from all of these. And then you press it and I guess they get the order and they cook it for you. And Eileen's just using her translate there.
Is this all rice, the the orange ones?
Yeah. And then they just kind of cook it there. Udon. Do you want udon or noodle, babe? He's showing us. Noodle, yeah.
Oh, yeah, soba.
Tempura.
Oh, sure. Oh, okay. And it's that one? Yeah.
It was successful, huh? So we ordered it and it's already ready. And that's they brought it there. It's like tempura, noodle, ramen. Looks really good.
Join us next time as we explore more of Nakano in part 2.